What is up, and welcome back to the channel. So it is a hot Saturday afternoon and we're going to be talking about kit lenses, specifically the 28-70 kit lens for the Sony A7 III. I'm pretty stoked, and if it wasn't this hot, I'm actually in a good mood. Alright, so as I was saying, we had to cross back there. And as I was saying, we're going to be looking at the 28-70 kit lens for the Sony A7 III. And we want to see if, you know, I always seem to hear a lot of people say not so nice things about the kit lens. So what we want to take a look at is see if the kit lens can actually be good enough to produce some pretty amazing shots. And I'm meeting up with a couple of friends, and we're going to head over to Manila in a bit, and we'll find out. We'll see.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars.
As I take those photos, I'm gonna be putting up on the screen. But you can clearly see that even with a kit lens, you can get some pretty interesting shots. It really matters how you compose your shot, and again, some photographers say it's kind of cheating, but it really matters where you take your photo as well. Like you can go to a very interesting place and it requires almost very minimal effort to get a nice composition. And you know, even if you have a kit lens, it would look nice. But there are birds passing by. Distracted there. Yeah, so it really doesn't matter even if you're just using a kit lens. Even if you have the kit lens that comes packaged by default with the camera, you can take some very interesting shots.